What if we told you that hidden in the heart of Ghana lies a lake born from cosmic collision, surrounded by ancient legends, sacred traditions, and breathtaking natural beauty? Welcome to Lake Bosomtwe, Ghana's only inland lake and one of West Africa's most fascinating wonders. Nestled among lush green hills in the Ashanti region, this remarkable lake is more than just a tourist attraction. It is a place where science and spirituality meet, where ancient traditions continue to thrive, and where the scars of a meteorite impact have shaped both the landscape and life of thousands of people. This is the incredible story of Lake Bosomtwe. More than 1 million years ago, a massive meteorite hurtled through space and crashed into what is now central Ghana. The impact was so powerful that it created a giant crater nearly 11 kilometers wide. Over time, rainwater and streams filled the crater, forming the beautiful circular lake we see today. Covering approximately 49 square kilometers and reaching depths of over 70 meters, Lake Bosomtwe remains one of the best preserved meteor impact lakes in the world. Surrounded by steep crater walls covered with dense vegetation, the lake creates a stunning natural landscape unlike anywhere else in Ghana. Scientists from around the world continue to study the lake because its sediments contain valuable records of climate changes stretching back thousands of years. Lake Bosomtwe is not only geologically significant, it is also internationally recognized for its ecological importance. The area is one of Ghana's UNESCO-designated biosphere reserves, protecting a unique blend of forest, wetland, and mountain ecosystems. The reserve supports dozens of tree species and provides habitat for a rich variety of wildlife. The surrounding communities depend heavily on farming, fishing, and tourism for their livelihoods, making the lake both an environmental treasure and an economic lifeline. Today, thousands of visitors come here each year to experience its beauty, tranquility, and cultural significance. While science explains the lake's geological origins, local tradition tells a very different story. According to Ashanti oral history, the lake was formed in the year 1648. A hunter named Akora Bompe was chasing an antelope known as Otwe in the Twi language. After wounding the animal, he followed it through the forest until it suddenly disappeared into a small body of water. Believing that a supernatural force had saved the antelope, the hunter declared the water sacred. He named the place Bosomtwe, meaning antelope god. From that moment, the lake became a place of spiritual significance, revered by generations of Ashanti people. For centuries, Lake Bosomtwe has been regarded as a sacred body of water. Many traditional believers hold that the souls of the deceased pass through the lake on their journey to the afterlife. Around the shoreline are numerous villages, each with its own shrine or sacred grove dedicated to local deities. One of the most important spiritual landmarks is the Abroadwom stone, believed by many to be the spiritual center of the lake. During times of poor harvests or hardship, traditional ceremonies are performed at the stone to seek blessings and restore harmony. These rituals continue to form an important part of the cultural identity of many communities around the lake. One of the most fascinating traditions at Lake Bosomtwe involves transportation on the water. Historically, it was forbidden to use iron objects on the sacred lake. As a result, local fishermen developed a unique form of transport known as the padua. Rather than using conventional boats, they travel across the lake on wooden planks, skillfully maneuvered through the water. Watching experienced fishermen balance and navigate on these narrow wooden platforms is both impressive and captivating. Even today, the padua remains an iconic symbol of the lake's cultural heritage. Approximately 27 communities are scattered around the shores of Lake Bosomtwe. The people living here maintain a close relationship with the lake, relying on it for fishing, farming, transportation, and tourism. Visitors are often welcomed warmly and introduced to the customs and traditions that have been preserved for generations. The surrounding hills offer excellent opportunities for hiking, birdwatching, photography, and nature exploration. Whether you're enjoying a peaceful boat ride, swimming in the calm waters, or trekking through the crater's forested slopes, Lake Bosomtwe offers unforgettable experiences for nature lovers and adventurers alike. Lake Bosomtwe is more than just a lake. It is a place where ancient legends coexist with scientific discovery. It is a sanctuary for wildlife, a source of livelihood for local communities, and a sacred landscape deeply woven into Ghana's cultural heritage. From its origins in a meteorite impact millions of years ago to the spiritual traditions that continue to this day, Lake Bosomtwe remains one of Africa's most extraordinary hidden treasures. If you enjoyed this journey into one of Ghana's greatest natural wonders, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fascinating stories from around the world. This is Wildora Chronicles, where nature, history, and mystery come alive. Thanks for watching.